Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial using this Teokalon EZ Twin Braid hair. This hair is pre-plucked, pre-cut, ready to use, 40-inch in the color RT27, and this hair has a very nice shine and luster to it. So all details will be in my description below, so make sure you guys check it out. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a pair of scissors, a rat tail comb. I'm going to be using my Blue Magic to moisturize my hair, as well as my olive oil moisturizer, an elastic band, and don't forget to grab yourself a mirror and your elastic band, of course. So I'm gonna be doing this box braids on myself. This is gonna be a jumbo box braid. I was going to do something different with crochet, but the hair was a little bit too sleeky. Is that how you say it? Silky. The hair was too silky for me, so I just ended up deciding on box braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair before we begin parting and slicing and dicing this hairstyle. To achieve the triangular parting, I'm gonna be doing an ear-to-ear section parting, just to section off the front part of my hair. And then I'm going to proceed on to creating my triangles. I'm only going to be doing 3 triangles in the front, so I'm just going to do 2 parts in my front section just to create that triangular shape. And you just have to be very patient. This is why I encourage you to use a metal rat tail comb, because it's more precise and you're able to kind of get the job done faster without stressing yourself out. And of course, utilize your mirror. And if you're not good at parts, you can always have someone assist you with this portion, but you can you can obviously still do it by yourself, but it just takes a lot of patience. So just take your time and get it done. So using those 2 lines I created in the front, I'm going to use them as a guide to part the back section of my hair. I'm going to be doing 2 lines going backwards to create 3 sections in the back. So I have the first section down. I'm going to use the other line on the right side or left side of my hair to create my other 2 sections, creating 3 sections in the back. So when you get to the back, you want to try to angle it as much as possible to create a V with the middle section in the back. I know it's very hard, and I'm like struggling right now because I can't really see what I'm doing, but you just kind of want to use your fingers to feel through it. But anyways, I'm going to be doing those, beads. So I'm gonna incorporate some beads into this box braids hairstyle. So I'm just going to be doing 2 little lines of individual braids, or cornrow braids, transitioning into individual twist on the left and right sides of my hair. This is going to be so cute. It's going to make the hair stand out. It's going to give it a little nice twist, just to make it pop a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing. What I ended up doing, because I didn't want that blonde to mix in with my hair, I ended up braiding my hair first and then adding the braiding hair to the ends. So you're also going to repeat this step again, and when you're done, you're going to move on to the right side of your hair and do the exact same 2 cornrow braids, transitioning into twist on your left side. So I'm just going to be taking my Gots to Be glue just to smoothing the perimeter of my hair, just taking that brush to brush the product through, just so my hair can be really nice and smooth and not so bumpy. So just taking your elastic band, you just want to wrap it around just a little bit. You don't want to wrap it too tight, so that way it's easy to take down and doesn't break your hair before you go on to the braiding portion of the style. So what I ended up doing is just separating my hair into 3 just to prepare it for the 3-strand braid. This is going to make it easier for you, especially when working with very large sections of hair at a time. So go ahead and do this before you even touch your braiding hair, because it's going to save your life, girl, and it's going to help you have control. So just taking a huge chunk of the hair, I'm just going to proceed on to my 3-strand braids. I'm just going to let you guys watch this for yourself, because I have done lots of tutorials on box braids on how to do them, but I've never done them on myself, so this would kind of help. But yeah, this hair, to be honest, it was quite difficult for me to work with because of the silkiness. I do wish that this hair had a more coarse or kinkier texture to it, so that way it'll work better for girls with natural hair. But But yeah, but other than that, I didn't really have any other issues with the hair. But I do think this hair would be best for cornrows rather than individual braids or twists, because it'll hold better in cornrows versus braids and twists. So that's just a little, you know, FYI. But yeah, if you don't want your braids to be this thick, you can obviously reduce the size. But because this hair was only 40 inches, which was like really short for me, I ended up having to compensate with the size of the braids. That's why I made them this thick, just to, you know, have some type of dramatic effect. But yeah, I really do wish they came in a longer size rather, you know, so that way it'll really just create the vibe, you know, that I was trying to go for. But anyways, this was still cute. When you're done braiding, you can obviously dip the hair into hot water, but because I'm doing this on myself, I do not recommend you getting hot water and doing that by yourself, you know, because the hair is very short, so you would have to get the hot water really close to you. So be very careful. Get somebody to help you if you really need to. So for styling, I'm just going to be putting this hair in a bun first, just to kind of see how I like it. Just using a really big elastic band, because that's the only thing that's going to hold down this jumbo braids. Just using the bands to kind of secure this hair in a nice little ponytail. And then I'm obviously going to go in with my hair clips, or what do you call it, bobby pins. I can't talk today. Using my bobby pins, I'm just going to be securing the bun, you know, making sure that there are no loose hairs, loose strands here and there. Just kind of nip it in the bun and create a nice little shape for myself. So just taking a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut off any flyaways that I see hanging loose. And then I'm going to proceed on to inserting my beads into those two little gorgeous braids falling towards the front of my face. I really like this look. I just think it's like a whole vibe. So make sure you check my description below for where you can purchase your beads. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. I like my beads really thick, not those really small beads. But anyways, to lay down my edges, I'm just taking my Got to Be glue just to kind of smooth in the front perimeter of my hair. I should have also used this in the back as well, because I had those little baby hairs at the back that were just like, it's just not cute. But don't forget the back portion of your hair, because clearly I did. But this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely enjoyed this hairstyle. It was so cute, so fast, so easy. You can also wear this hair down for a more carefree look. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.